Welcome to WealthWired. What happens to $100 when you invest it today? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly where to put it, how to buy it, and what it becomes over 30 years. $100 invested today in the S&P 500 becomes $259 in 10 years. 57% of Americans are not invested in the stock market, not because they cannot afford to, because nobody walked them through the exact steps until today. 5 steps. Open your account, fund it with $100, choose your first fund, make your purchase, automate it. I am walking you through every single step right now. By the end of this video, you will have everything you need to be invested within 15 minutes. No excuses, no overwhelm, just clear steps anyone can follow. Quick note, this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always consult a licensed financial advisor for your personal situation. First decision, which brokerage to use. 3 options I recommend for complete beginners: Fidelity, Vanguard, and Schwab. Here is the comparison. Fidelity, 0 minimum, best overall for beginners. Vanguard, $1 minimum, lowest expense ratios. Schwab, 0 minimum, best mobile app. Step 1, open your brokerage account. I am recommending Fidelity for complete beginners, 0 minimum, takes 15 minutes. Go to fidelity.com right now. When opening your account, choose a Roth IRA as your account type. You will need your social security number, a government ID, and your bank account number. Why Roth IRA? Your money grows completely tax-free. When you withdraw at retirement, 0 taxes on all growth. Before you start, have 3 things ready: your social security number, a photo of your government ID, your bank account and routing number for the initial transfer. Your account is open. You will see a $0 balance. That is completely normal. Step 1 is done. You now have a real brokerage account. Next, we fund it. Common mistake at this step: accidentally opening a taxable brokerage account instead of a Roth IRA. Double check your account type before submitting. It matters enormously for taxes. Timeline. Most accounts are approved instantly. ID account linking takes 1 to 3 business days if needed. Step 2, fund your account with $100. In Fidelity, click Transact, then transfer money, then enter $100 from your linked bank account. Click Transact, transfer money from your bank, enter $100, confirm. The transfer takes 1 to 3 business days to appear in your account as available to invest. Critical point: money in your brokerage account is not automatically invested. It sits as cash earning almost nothing until you buy a fund. Step 3 is where you actually invest it. Pro tip: Fidelity offers instant transfer up to $25,000 using your debit card. If you want it used to invest today rather than wait 3 days. Coming up, Step 3. The exact fund to buy with your $100 and why it beats every other option for beginners. Step 3, choose your first fund. For a complete beginner with $100, I recommend one of 2 options: VU or VO, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Tracks the 500 largest companies in America. VTI, the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. Tracks the entire U.S. stock market over 30 small, mid, and large VO. VOO versus VTI. 20-year performance is nearly identical. The difference is less than 0.2% annually. Pick either one. What not to buy with your first $100. Actively manage individual stocks before you understand the company. Crypto before you have an established index fund portfolio. Fractional shares mean you do not need a full share price to invest. VU trades around $500 per share. With 100, expense ratios matter enormously over time. At 0.03%, you pay $3 per year on 10,000. Step 4, make your first purchase. This is the moment. In Fidelity, search VOO in the search bar. Click Trade. In Fidelity, search VOO. Click Trade. Select Buy. Order type, market, dollar amount, $100. Order submitted. You are now an investor. That green confirmation screen means your $100 is working. Important note on timing. The market is open Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern FEPN. That is completely normal. Market order versus limit order. Use a market order for your first purchase. It fills immediately at the current price. After your purchase, go to your portfolio tab. You will see your VO position. Daily price movements are normal. Think 30-day years, not 30 minutes. Step 5, and this is the most important step of all 5. Automate your monthly investment. Do not rely on remembering to invest every month. Automate it and forget it. In Fidelity, go to Accounts, select your Roth IRA, click Automatic Investments, choose VO, enter $200 per month, select a date, ideally the day after your paycheck arrives. Confirm. Set it and forget it. From this moment, your $200 invests automatically every single month without you doing anything. The system builds your wealth while you live your life. Automation does more than save time. It removes emotion from investing. You buy automated panic sell. You dollar cost average perfectly without thinking about it. Start at whatever amount you can afford. The habit matters more than the amount. Every time you get a raise, 5 steps complete. Your account is open. Your $100 is invested. VU automation is set. You have 10 minutes. What most people never do in their lifetime. Coming up, the 5 biggest beginner investing mistakes. Most new investors make at least 2 of these. I am going to save you thousands of dollars right now. Beginner mistake 1, checking your portfolio every single day. Daily price movements are noise. Looking every day triggers emotional decisions that destroy long-term returns. The fix, check your portfolio once per month maximum, or once per quarter. Set a calendar reminder. Close the app. Your money is working even when you are not watching it. Beginner mistake 2, panic selling when the market drops. Every market crash locks in your losses permanently and removes you from the recovery. The fix, remember that every crash in history has recovered. 2000, 2008, all new 3 more expensive mistakes coming. These 3 cost new investors the most money. Beginner mistake 3, waiting for the perfect time to buy. There is no perfect time. Studies show that investor 20 years still beats sitting in cash. The data is clear. Time in the market beats timing the market every single time. Invest consistently regardless of market conditions. The best day today. Beginner mistake 4, putting your $100 into a single stock. And individual stocks are volatile. Companies go bankrupt. Beginner mistake 5, investing $100 once and stopping. A one-time $100 investment becomes 1 from 35. Mistake recap. 1. Stop checking daily. 2. Never panic now, not later. 4. Your $100 starting investment projection. $100 alone grows to in 1745. As your income grows, stack tax-advantaged accounts. Roth IRA max, $7,000 per year. At $100,000 your portfolio, your money is now earning more than many part-time jobs without you working at all. VOO pays quarterly dividends. Reinvest them automatically. Every dividend buys more shares, which pays more dividends. When to expand beyond VOO? Under $10,000, stick with VOO only. Over $10,000, add
your annual portfolio review checklist. Rebalance to target allocation. Increase contribution amount.
the psychological journey. Year 1, exciting. Years 2 and 3, boring. The comparison that matters. Person A invested $100 once and stopped, $17.45 at retirement.
The most important shift is not financial, it is identity. You are not someone who might invest someday.
Your complete action plan for the next 60 minutes, starting the moment this video ends. Action 1, right now. Go to Fidelity.com, click open an account, choose Roth IRA, complete the application, takes 15 minutes. Do this before you do anything else today. Action 2, transfer $100. Use the instant transfer of your debit card to invest today rather than waiting 3 to 5 days. $100 is enough to start. Do not wait until you have more. Action 3, buy VOO. Search VOO, click trade, select buy, market order, enter $100. Action 4, automate $200 per month into VOO. Set it for the day after your paycheck. This one action is worth more than any other financial decision you make this week. Almost done. Your 30-year wealth projection from today is next. The numbers will motivate you to never stop. Your 30-year projection starting with $100 today and automating $200 per month. Comment the word invest below right now and I will personally send you the free beginner investing checklist, every step written out so you never get lost. Subscribe for a new WealthWired finance video every single day. Tomorrow, day 6, 5 reasons you are still broke despite earning good money. You do not want to miss this one. Your $100 investment today is the snowball. Your $200 monthly automation times the slope. 2 futures split from this exact moment. Future 1, you invest $100 today. Future 2, you close this video and do it later. Welcome to the pre-today of 57% of the country. Your financial future is different from this moment forward. Watching from day 1 gives you the complete financial education, saving challenges, money apps, investing truths, and now your first investment. Link to the full series in the description. 5 steps complete. Open your Roth IRA. Buy VOO. Automate $200 per month. Never panic. Tell Matt. Day 5 of 30 complete. 25 more daily finance videos coming your way. Every day, 1 new strategy. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss one. Share this video with one person who has been putting off investing. 1 share could change their financial future. Knowledge is free. Pass it on.
30 years from now, you will look back at today as the day everything changed. Not because of $100, because
Day 5 recap. $100 into VOO inside a Roth IRA. Automated at $200 per month. Tomorrow on WealthWired, Day 6 views are sobering and good money. If you earn a decent income and still feel broke, this video explains exactly why and how to fix it.
your money does not sleep. It does not take weekends off. It does not call in sick.
See you tomorrow on WealthWired, Day 6. 5 reasons you are still broke despite earning good money. Subscribe so you do not miss it.
Hit subscribe and join the WealthWired community. A new money strategy is waiting for you every single day. Let's build your wealth, starting right now.